Ngiye kujya ngucunga wa mwana. Papa n'umwana.
Hey, happy 4th.
Waje.
You remember Hayden?
Hey, good to see you again.
Hayden uramuzi kumbe Hayden wandi wabahaye icumbi muri New York.
Okay.
Baraziranye bigeze gura mu mwaka wa 2021.
I wanted you to meet my friend Hayden.
Ndagira ngo uri n'inshuti yanjye Hayden kakana kari kakiri kazima ni kano kana.
Tells me that you already know how to do a high five. Is that true?
Antire cambwe ngo uzi gutanga high five arayimuha.
You're late.
Wakererewe.
Oh.
Muzani ka wine.
Thank you.
Nyimba wakerozanye wine ndakubabari.
Back together?
Mwarasubiranye se?
Just friends.
Oya njye na Hayden turi inshuti gusa. Uyu ni Cherry.
Oh.
Mama w'akana nyine.
Hey.
Yaje kwishakira undi mugabo hano ni kera kibana na David Barros. Yo. Bite Hayden ifata shafi imbuta zabimbwa mukubita icupa rya fimbo.
I did. It's the 4th of July. The 3-year-old play with fire.
Hakuri no.
It's a spark.
Uyu ni papa we.
Blowtorch.
Adam yarahicaye. Baraho haro babonye.
Who's the guy with the
Uriya mugabo ninde wagasatsi kameze ukuntu.
It's Kyle Bergen.
Bamwita Kyle Bergen.
Dave and I went to high school with him.
Twariganye segonderi. Bamwita Skunk. Skunk ni nk'inturumi.
Name like that?
Cyangwa se agasimba kanuka n'imimbi.
It's like you wanted to work for Nicky Fisher from the jump.
Yaje kurangira agiye gukorera Nicky Fisher. Nicky Fisher ninde bano barikanze. Bano barikanze.
Everything okay?
Cyose bimeze sawa.
It's fine.
Bimeze sawa bavuze izina Nicky Fisher bano barikanga. Uri hirya ngo yitwa Skunk ngo bariganye ngo yifuza gukorera umugabo bita Nicky Fisher. I will find you.